Hello, is fásta rásig na Seansálaithe is máidir seansa ghlacu glacid na Seansálaithe Táimid an seo in éit sais ach agus fásta actual an audio quality either níos fearr na níos massa. Nelas an go bhád go dtí éis an muid rás le seo. Ach táimid an seo in Google. Oh, nelas am céin fá gur rounding Virginia, well, not has some céin fá, but those part. And it's not just Mishatan seo. It's much human car, by the way. Táimid seo fásta le much cólaci, le much courage, táimid seo dús part le annuír, and you can tatu.
Go mai, sílam gúil sé aisteach gúil muid an seo agus sort go seaan muid amá. Tá muid ró sort rough and ready chuine áit le an urgent finesse as tá seo in Google, in Google HQ ach ínta jazz a bhain seo.
Tá a hananne Harbh gléiste go mai agus Harbh fancy. Agus a country thing bín Harbh gléiste go mai agus Harbh fancy. Táimid seo fásta le James O'Flaherty, the James Dimmer tatu.
Jan intros fair for my fós. Cuz é seo.
Can is Jarfy
Yeah.
Complimentary
Yeah.
word to real.
I think it's in vibe. It's in vibe with him.
Yeah.
With and
So
seo.
just Google was in the Starfy. Agus no seo was bros osta vet Google so Foundry building. Make a cuimar go building again. Na piece agus in your just mo chwagan. Rough and ready. Mar durts galore go mo access.
Yeah. Jesus. I think and Cad with the fly is that Neilmudgeon Shaw le Google. It's not le Emot Google. It's Emot Dervanium Kinia at or siúl. Agus it's féile technoliaachta I mean rectal ag skalta agus a groupie olga agus carter cashed aringe and this might blow some minds le bheith mar podchraoltaí ag genu ceardlanna le daoine olga agus just man dífa céndá le pod a chuir le cheile. Ar capsibh nar a hasing with seo bhlianahan go bhéh muid ag múnú dá pláistí go hairithe céndá le pod a rectal.
I mean, yeah, it's kind of like who let us in, you know? Agus beidir into gannam with Jarma during tahito againn leis an podchraoltaí, but actually a genuine ceardlanna, it's like, wow, táimid in chat balla an ada agus tal an fólam againn agus hílme sort like cajé ag linne wúnú do gin yella, but actually tá níos mó a tarlú agus gur mojabalta vín do gin yella ná hílme go mac mojabalta. So an na ceardlanna go mai go dtí seo tá daoine tá an í podchraoltaí hosú your ideas maiha beidir go glin cuid cuid.
Oh, pláistí, could you imagine? Yoink.
Mine now.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Well, Sean, what do you must meet you? I was just meeting you on Taimid father with your status. Which on jar fog, anything the positive from the plastic, whatever. But like, there is in plastic, there is in moonshore la pod, so saku or so gonna bitch like. Agus Sean the dingy for sure shot la insta plastic and la.
Yeah, the beginning email can customer care unit they Kinia Trace on their shafter show me based it got a rash engaged like podchraoltaí as my agent like againn here episode againn here season 1. Táimid literally can't find more DMs.
Yeah.
Yours was DMs like raw so Caroline podchraoltaí go DMs le dini íonaí áisteach.
Yeah.
Bhí me sé gar íonaí á le bailí difriúil I mo DMs. So it's a an asoch ma ronse ras agus ma Asian
I mean my Asian shit lush and pod and rather dirt to say womacha and dirt to fuck them and shin the G-Rock and shin be too like it's come along between the kids so
ní hánig sé sin way in rud mari seach
no
you know
Siempre
Molnoide.
Catigro mudig Irene shin. And what's fair finale sho na go will galore card gael and sho agus ní ro mudig súla shin er shin dini go anna gunner a vet an sho hill mudig stahane agus okay dina choni me na barrio shukru.
Classic.
And shin when me sir skigan as an shin choni me barrow hay. As lower pack them agus okay ela tan sho the more card linen sho ta Conal Martin, Cara, podchraoltaí, Spralin Conal.
What a guy.
Andrew DePuer and Joe, Michael Kiri, Dino Sullivan, Lord Dini Hart, because the much bulla Dini Ora Kamai, a Woolmudge, or a land bidder of Imudgelanu or TikTok, because a land, you know, Connie Mefisha and Dini as New Wool Mary Lowe.
So, Ashtoch Gourmoods, a look and shaw a goblet.
Yeah.
Because go Hundul, Nervine Smooths, Lechele, Beamus go Hindul, and the crackouts are going to say. Ach an seo Thomas níos réchuisi Thomas le chéile Thomas a gobar son na cúise son na teanga so dí mar hin cé gur béidir cúpla pinta réing ach taréis na haibre bhí mu le chéile from was das lubricated le chéile
ag genú iarach
le cúpla
No, Satan. So yucky.
Listen, bhí muid genú an obair, bhí muid genú G Colinu ar daoine is the Ryans,
Oh,
you know?
Sian go gadún Lord fi seo.
I feel like
ach dús cé cheap go mochmas i Google do it was that like should an darnú scríisteach mis seo like kid that well no it's CU technically
She didn't like Neil Scrunier na gofoil.
no Neil like Neil should héis background checking in that ring
Harvey
horrible
no
because me mar this is the fall mission le panel cancer in the agus in chin Carolyn podchraoltaí
yeah
Tarritakins suas
tá inta bhí mar bhím cancer seo rare a seal na gaelic it's agus seal an ceol tradition the fasta is sample allward that shot where a lawen be to see shanfob like a dog to Trinona ag genu you know called like Oranbug like the like Turasari or whatever na bedroom come to you know ring with like Ars na Gael because you know like pub but I bug because it has brawling Ars na Gael but ag dolo Etchmar Shin Gigi and Shamra is mo ag ken the ferg of a Google ag moonu the thing ken doile podchraoltaí her siúl like just size like surreal like
the bright lights of Ballyflia, you know.
I know.
Look at us now.
Well, the James Gary book is to us, so that's just lahain over. Ní lahai.
Just lahain over.
Ní lahai and crack no and.
Ní mi algo akma dini dahula siúlhart Google gachlá. No. Ní hin an fá. No horrible.
Sin gael ní stoil.
Go humble. Is na gael vi on. Ach na gael vi gestam vi should lunna here Bader like clear ní mai so bear relocating in the chun Royal amsú ach it calls a Royal
oh yeah
Níl cheapin go moán lunathe I Bolton
yeah so set the scene Ryan's Hainja go clog sníthe Níos gom cén dóir hosí an córa ach bhfuil le sasnach.
Entire mission dóir hosí an córa. Hosí siad the chenim Follow Me by Uncle Cracker and radio and DJ. Agus hosí Misha Canua, agus hosí James Canua, agus Dirk and Bancha arm, agus Dirty. Oh my God, you know this song!
You little Irish boy.
Oh, little Irish boy knows this song. Oh my God, you know this song. Agus bhí muiding like yes Uncle Cracker and Tunkle Cracker at all you know
Tunkle Mac and Cracker
Tunkle Mac and Cracker
sinna dóid teatní ahanninge or Uncle Cracker so muid can in Arn whatever and then Dagmid I think you're Dagmid and Shamra agus Lanch muid ama la touch
go crack my own
I mean obviously I mean they're holding to Mulyagan said Follow Me by Uncle Cracker
yeah agus look it's also even so like vach maps going on my piece of crack up some like so
Okay, sílim go digla an rá gan dhéanamh the most rare.
G calling you.
Iirecht ulwer sta le múnú dóibh faoi cuasaí star na tíre seo as ar 9 euro clú acu mar nach múntar star an bratan donna bratní. Ach bhí go leor first times dóibh sin ar air bhí ní roscú gur genocide a ví sa faman ní roscú gan siad cólí nu ar éan fucan níos mna sé cé blian ag pinú an dins méid dóibh gur bé gaelic ar sort an máthartanga tá ganine gur bé an céad teanga dúna sáile as dúirtí oh but you're really good at English well done it's like yeah you made that easy for us
oh Dolomwood oh we learned on Ken's fire was gur dúirtí Ashi a gáil like Brown the wear and Garth the War she was like being like I'm to my whole Brown or whatever so I'll make it up to you and she was like I'll buy you a Subway
agus dúirtí go bhfuil like I'm so sorry I feel really guilty now
I feel
Morris Cart ach tá mu a gáil cinál so plan me I mean Hugh nah
oh God
Goracham agus go just was you know go léanam was dain rud sasna le gasar be go gcuilech
who's we Who is Weeze of Landra?
Jeez, I shouldn't. Siúl like inherently like blian
Ní bheith acu ach gaeilge.
Yeah.
Agus ní bheith aon béal acu.
Yeah.
As gáise go ásanna.
Agus beidir cáilte then.
Agus oibre ar na sites. Agus...
Catéria a híanaan tú tá né tarlú sa learfol
Ach,
Like Quiggy.
Mas rob seo gachradína go donna. So then, tits and teeth as a chéile. So should cinál mo plan.
Tearing up and building England down.
Yeah.
No, building up and tearing England down.
Like me, I'm not a fan of dictatorship ach an seo. Thomas go him.
What a line. Okay, let's go listen to it. When is she is shomra common room for her. So tá daoine eile an seo agus bud na tafad seo agus an chéad rud tá James na rá I Merle. Tá daoine goil sin na glasú a mahas cohex. It's like I don't have a habit of being a dictator.
I'm not a fan of it, like, but like nur hasenja.
Seachas sin bhí ihe ionta goin, bhí lá ionta goin in é.
Give the rá seachas sin, bhí á mí bhí sin dathúil, like...
Oh, bhí sin ionta jazz,
ionta jazz.
Yeah. Hopmuid animór ar gona cú, so anims aquí na Bethany agus well that's basically Elizabeth, so you are now Eilish.
Agus sin
thug sin an balle.
Yeah. Well, what is it?
Francis
Elizabeth, Stephen, Francis. So Liam was Eilish Stefan Princess. Agus Eilish Stefan Princess. Hook sin crack in fairness. We bit cracking it. Oh, Waltoon. Hollichin.
Come in Yorkshire. Visha hilarious. Visha app. Yeah, Visha gas. Like, I chance basically can conru. There's a good chance can juggle shit.
There's a good goal.
Sorry. Kai much a flay. Club con in the Gaelic rare. Agus and trad sash of your show. Sorry, Agus Ted and Shine
Ted, what is the gay shot?
Agus Nia.
Bronering.
The much so much ma and EA and the ceardlanna agus Yammer Doigan agus Shin the much and say Grand Canal. We shift go Weatherspoons, which is ugh. And then
no, but shift. Near aim play Amson Jock and that is.
Durulum.
So spoons.
Vi unud go hauling. He's a chin at a Grand Canal.
Yeah.
Ach. Bevraden we Bob Keens. Alla.
Yeah. Well, the appointment she could pay Parrick Pierce, which was an experience.
Oh, which I shouldn't even need. Hummus way total 90 go Kate.
Yeah.
Like a hummus like cause
literally
what's it? 180.
Yeah.
And
hummus o Sassonly go Pierces and Ash go Ryans go Sassonly it.
Yeah.
So Hosmus of Sassonly, Kirchmus of Sassonly.
They're going to be now row Patrick Pierce on it. Tasha Hustler Rods o Chocoblino hen Fos tan jukebox and Jinna's kai tuna tokens of course that.
Agus ni Rochelle Bob Marley agus David Bowie. Shin the yarrow of you.
Ni vehagri vedol stahan as a gordu Johor Beta ro fancy no
notiony. You won't go shot on sober. You're almost sober.
No. A cocktail there is like a gin and tonic like that.
You shouldn't be best with you. Oh, do you want near him or who can gin and tonic?
Vin Glyn Moraku though. Vin fishbowl aku like so yeah.
Fishbowl or whatever it is but then when we take a conru agus obviously Boris Crabby and Cracker Dogging the club in the club agus the trad session show in the lads og show agus I think when we share la pizza agus la BL like when we snack box agus for any curry cheesy chip which is usually my thing and I felt very attacked in their door decision. McGuinness's, I'm telling you, McGuinness's and Chippers Fair LR in the Clack.
Yeah, ach like we must get a Philly cheesesteak. Agus do you like na chucha aku ach I vegan. So you like Joshua, this is like mine.
Any Philly cheesesteak, it's
oh, I shouldn't have used cheese, Philly cheese, avisha vegan. So you like Joshua literally law mo eating for her because ni higim Kechui na chusha agi acha vegan. Look, ni tazen no Amson the vegans. Ach ta, I saw bad ass on. Ach like we must just get a big in fuel.
I'm walking doing Shaw so to marketing and beer father cane size BA like it's the pastries and tea and all stuff whatever. But how much it was like still water and then just boire their cha vegan. And I was like, can you get meaty
No,
water in Shaw? And
really?
that's really, just like land, like just
Gentle, like gear
trotters, like
envy.
you got a heart or
Just
whatever.
friggin' bath water in the cuida.
Oh, nasty.
Just sheepy milk.
Agus glob. Agus so chuúil mu de se as bhí mór lads óga I casa ceol istí sa snágur tuisat. Agus híal mis dom hen. She just gets go bhfuil. But you know, liggy mu dóibh, you know, bhís just casa tunes. Agus an sin chur Barry Shukru, brewer who chas is fríomh chamra. Agus basically performance dhéanú doing like bhí sé cosla gur puppets bhíon tú as bhí mu like dance monkeys dance like Lan Journey are like tune Ella, can on Ella, come on. Agus rinne she day. Like we group of more as we should Ainta as we should go sast of it and shit.
But an lad and Ruther's grammar for you now then they're handing with English Shalish and Bia and that's we shift to Shasu. You wrote Doiby August the James the Shasu and Aklish and Sledge. So basically the aim thing at V's Globe first should show Umland of not just the like Jay Gary Shaw, Egg Shenyam Kjol, but also making it like destroying snack boxes. Because like absolutely hoofing into like Bia whatever.
Basically, trad session featuring Michigan's Hugh demolish all pizza snapbox simultaneously.
Yeah. Dark my shirts leis pizza sin. As dark my ration yeah woman has been pizza ma.
Yeah. Well, Slicey Barry, I will say Slicey Barry.
Slice of all, yeah.
Koyan pizza
it was at the trench and Colin Cara.
Yeah, scissors.
No, it was on the Gera Gichi Skipper and the fair.
Oh yeah.
Been a lad of stack us loose in the plotty as new shaka tosu.
Yeah.
Shouldn't also rare.
No, this is the guys for special teams, special players, special plays.
Oh my god, yeah. And it's can't time to launch and reach. It's not speed.
Sketch. Yeah.
What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
Special teams, special plays, Tuesday.
Tuesday.
I was again, looks
really Tuesday.
I'd rather be
right over my head.
I'd rather be can't be in ceardlanna because I'd rather be can't be like is cake what difference it like you know algorithm sucking your pod because like even between the podchraoltaí mean with gay start law I was like being like the like lads og again rather being like oh yeah Isham like Critical Role which is a Dungeons and Dragons podcast we like yes
and the mission geishak le ruddy fi via James geishak like in fi high performance loser
yeah James the loser anyway we're just gonna go to geishak like this week in tech.
No, in fairness I think really hard Editors Shachten Shaw. Tá Cheshire his glach loser May all grandma either egg and Jim new Gordu Pinta new just for most podchraoltaí. We loser glow.
A han Kinia we into ta dina ne sort like hate or that.
Yo 100% yeah Kevin get like a Weatherspoons in the ma like Nero in Guinness Aku.
Oh yeah.
So Beamish bhí an agus bhí stout an agus ní airmus K Wayne stout ach is tread the will call you as aiding agus bhí ma sí she's agus bhí ma like okay ní ran zoch seo rivam agus like ní ran se creamú Kate of profitable Wayne zoch seo bhí me se just to get a rudí nu a chriar
yeah
agus I hear that Weatherspoons mar was around of look catch got on
it's
Katu Tahi Vadan a Katu chur the Outdo app new Erlina as you go to Outdo man you're on stout rivam as we beam on hands look Chakosa like what's that the rosu egg Autikins to get Pepsi as to Coke cuts near the can
no near
so it's not heavy mission or we beam on so this my basic drilling on Aldi Cola Agus here that if you go Outdo agus chas a carding shot nu nam ran the shame phone ran the share kid if you Outdo sturchi not in shin that it just arrogant gun fair shot nach we're calling my head as you might like Jesus Christ near my gara ach doch ni ma cream where kids ma to arrogant ach okay F man bloody beamish so for my beamish is that agus ni raw all maham that should be Mish.
Scale Doherty to and forged Irish stout Sajeru.
I love it. Just there's an anim.
Yeah, there's an anim. Bring him out and get a deer off the Colin Adam Ross.
Yeah.
Oh well.
That's sweet because he wrote a go coy fin or the like. I was like, just say it.
Dámas that camera bhí sé cinna agus as ar a drochúir. Ní mai gar go daing se dom ach cinál hangge.
Níos fear na béimiis.
Yeah.
Beagán.
Vlas me sé. Tá sé cos le Murphy's.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Níor se chud das le Murphy's. Bhí sé se na béimiis ach gan doubt má tá Guinness at the fob. Don't stray.
Don't know.
Stick to the loyals.
Yeah.
Agus fan ar a Guinness.
More, I mean, that is, and rud is gael ac afraid that the and yeah, Jerry Shark, I'm gonna call you a constant assassin and then being like, yeah, just stick to Guinness. Right, so I'm doing it. Thank you, go to Rash Tag and
Yeah, the ceardlanna Jennigan, so Agran Garavan and Chattan.
Yeah, but listen, Gurmil Moy get been Rash Reach Chat showing la Agran Ur Nud in the Chancellor, Agishan is feeling a mudging and the Chancellor or Instagram, Chancellor Twitter, Chancellor or YouTube. Well, you hate that hard to any gall to not cap at the Gumeo like camera setup of a shot. This is a bit scandalous. Like, Gary, any Amsterdam hosted. There's more anywhere Instagram, anywhere or Twitter. I guess anywhere or TikTok. Whether you're James Amsterdam host, there's more Flár Tach or Instagram, Flár Tach or Twitter, I guess Flár Tach or TikTok. I've just watched them hoof and cappers in the shop mails. So yeah, they're dirt much here. I guess Gary, Mahan Amsterdam host them or Hugh Carr here or Instagram, Hugh Carr or Twitter. I guess just grab Hugh Carr or TikTok. Well, anyway, that like plug all and a sort of change Rashi over.
Ní dóla me.
Ní dóla the. James Gwillain with your while at the flog.
No.
Goodbye, my Bolton beauty.
Farewell, my Bolton rose.
Contusion the air.
No, Hansha Edusa. Just in Shinner Majid. All right. DOI folks, Bunny Gisolds and Jerry Shafting. I guess been Darash la Agran Ur da na Seansálaithe. Salam.